Why is it harder to push a truck than a football? The answer is Newton's second law. F equals ma. Force equals mass times acceleration. This one equation connects force, mass, and acceleration. A 5 kilogram box pushed with 10 newtons accelerates at 2 meters per second squared. Watch it move. Same force, different masses. The lighter object accelerates more. More mass means less acceleration. Students often forget to use newtons, kilograms, and meters per second squared. Always check your units first. Remember, big force, big go, big mass, slow mo. F equals ma. Subscribe to Ovasaabi for more lessons. Visit ovasaabi.com.